How's it going? I'm Charlie Larson, and I'm going to be doing 1,776 push-ups to celebrate Independence Day. So, yeah. You might be asking, how am I going to be doing that? I'm also asking the same question. So, yeah. I got some fuel. I got my fuel here. Here, I got one left, sadly. My cookie brownies, got some pure protein. I'm doing a lot of push-ups, so some Ritz crackers and some peanut butter. So, as you can see, I'm a professional. So, yeah, I've got it calculated out for all these push-ups. I'll be doing sets of 10, so it'll be about 178 sets of 10. I'm gonna try to break it down and do 10 push-ups every 30 seconds, so it doesn't take me the whole day. This is going to suck, but for America. Also, to keep track, I'm just going to be writing tally marks or something. Time to start. If I go over here, it's to turn off my music so I don't get copyright striked. So yeah, here's the first set. There's 10 sets already, just 168 more to go. Make sure this thing's still on. There's 20 sets done. Yeah, I'm feeling it already. It sucks, but don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe if you made it this far, and let me know if you would ever want to do this challenge or not. Don't recommend it. Okay, we're still recording. That is 30 sets. My wrists are starting to hurt a lot, so I'm using those. But yeah, I'm just gonna pause this. And then unpause it. I'm afraid to lose. Yeah, I'm afraid to lose any of my recording, which would suck. That is 40 sets. We're just trekking on, trying to survive at this point. But yeah.
More to come. It's 50 sets, it's 500 push-ups already. So I'm gonna take a protein break. So yeah, I'm gonna pause it and then I'll pause it real quick. There we go. I'm just nervous about actually losing all the footage. It would be really disappointing. Well, time to start back up again, I guess, and check the battery. Looking good, and let me get some more push-ups in. Probably won't do another break till I get to 1,000, so. There's 60 sets, so 600 push-ups, and I'll pause and be right back. I gotta fill up my water and use the restroom, so be back in a minute. You just use the restroom and fill up my water, and back to jump into it. Just about a lot to go. There is 70 sets, that's 700 push-ups. It's kind of daunting thing. I still got a little over 1,000 more, but yeah, I think I'll come back up here once I get to 1,000. So after 30 more sets, and then I'll just reassess from there. Yeah, because coming up here just kind of gets me out of the swinging things. So, yeah, if you can't tell, this sucks. On pause, gotta make sure, and we're live. There is 100 sets, so 1,000 push-ups. Ooh, I am aching and burning and my form is non-existent anymore. But yeah, still got quite a bit to go, but I think I'm gonna take a 5-minute break, just regain myself and rehydrate, all that good stuff, and then jump back into it. So yeah, see you in a few. Well, took my nice break. Yeah, rehydrated. Blew up the restroom, I should say. Stretched a little bit too, so feel a lot better. Ready to grind out some push-ups. I'm exhausted though, so it should be fun. There is 1,100 push-ups, only a bit left to go. I'm struggling, really struggling. Just trying to keep up my sets as best as I can. My form is horrendous. I guess once you do this many push-ups, that's where you get to. So, yeah, just trying to grind them out now. So, probably do a couple hundred, and get back to you. Let's see if it's still on. We are still recording. We're still recording. Just gotta make sure it saves. I'm now at 1,400 push-ups. Just a little bit more to go here. Well, not a little bit, that's still 376 push-ups left. But made a lot of progress, which is good. Getting close to being done, which is even better. But yeah, keep grinding, I guess. Just have to make sure that's saved. I would be way too pissed if all this got like deleted or something. Here we go. 1,700 push-ups. Oh jeez. 76 left. But I'm getting to muscular failure, so I have to take about a 5-minute break. Finish out this last 76, otherwise something's gonna break. See you guys in a few minutes. Well, I took a little break, and now I'm ready to crush these last push-ups. Oh, geez. I'm not gonna be able to move tomorrow, probably. That's gonna be rough. Cramp. Ooh. Tricep just cramped. There's my last 70. Now just 6 more. And then that is 1,776 push-ups. Whew. Oh, I got a cramp on this time. What? Oh, jeez. Triceps are getting out. Get 2 more. 2 more. 2 more. Jeez. 2 freaking more. One. 1,776.
Here it is all filled out. Jeez Louise. If you made it this long, thank you for sticking around and really suffering with me. But yeah. That was rough. Like 10 push-ups every 30 seconds for a long time. I'm gonna go watch some fireworks now and then go to bed. So, see ya.